It's two issues on the different side of the coin, di ba? Yung on the one hand, may gamot na kulang, nauubusan, hindi ma-deliver sa tao. On the other hand, there are other medicines na sobra-sobra at nasasayang ang pera.
And that is the answer of the DOH.
It's not my answer, it's the answer of
Yes.
DOH.
So let me just say, for the record, it's completely wrong. And they are, I'm not allowed to say bini-BS tayo. No? Doon sa routine vaccine that you fought for, Madam Chair, that you fought for, ever since Secretary Herbosa took over, it's late or kulang. Wala talaga, hindi dumadating. Wag nila sabihin may sobra and ibang issue yon. And etong problema, yung parents ayaw nang pabukunahan yung ibang anak kasi nagdi-deliver sila 1 month na lang, expired na eh. Paano nangyari yon? Pumunta ka sa private doctor, 2, 3, 4 years yung expiration ng ibang vaccines. I'm not talking about the flu, I'm talking about the routine. You know, sabihin na nila kung anong problema, kung bakit, 2 years na eh. 2 years na, parating late. If you want, patuloy natin to tomorrow, let's randomly call 10 mayors and 10 governors. They'll tell you all the same thing. The DOH is not delivering enough. Tapos pag nag-deliver late, tapos pag nag-deliver ready to expire na ito. Can you imagine last year, maraming hindi na bakunahan, tapos na yung pandemic. Nung pandemic nga, gumawa ng paraan eh. Na kahit na naka-lockdown, nagkakagulo yung mga health, yung mga experts natin kung paanong ituloy yung bakuna. Pero last year, nandyan lahat ng pera, lahat ng bakuna nandyan. Hindi nila ma-deliver. Panay excuses eh. Madam Chair, last point. Hindi pwedeng bumili ang LGU eh. So wala silang choice. Ibigay na lang ng DOH yung pera sa LGU, sila bibili. Maraming vaccine nung yung routine sa mga bata, hindi pwede. So, Mr. Chair, sorry, Senator Tulfo, alam mo naman, respeto ko sa iyo at never ako nag-i-interrupt. Pero yung ganong klaseng sagot ng DOH, wag tayo magbulahan dito. Health ng mga bata to future ng bansa to, tapos ganyan ang sagot natin na meron ganito, meron. Hindi totoo yun. 2 years na. Kailan magbabago yan? Can you guarantee us? O yun, isang tanong lang. Can you guarantee us in 2026 there'll be no delays? Because if not, let's get a secretary who can.